they stay patient or will they panic? My bet is they'll panic. Ball, no excuse for letting it fumble the football in a situation like that. Job that time by the offense, scored that touchdown and put him ahead. You get ahead in the football game, the National Football League, it makes you relax and play better. The offense backs up, they go after them, they're aggressive, and what does it do for them? It gives them an interception inside the 20-yard line. Yeah, gets a touchdown. Down in there, first to go, 4. Now you don't have to sweat the practice. Man, what are we going to do for the third down? Don't worry about it. Good run, nice touchdown. Talk about a running back like this. He doesn't possess the great speed. So for him to score a long touchdown run, that means the defense broke some chains. They weren't disciplined, but the biggest detriment of all is they did not hustle.
Hey, yo, DJ,
Been
put a
controlled
little
by the
back to the
quarterback
record,
that
baby.
time.
They giving us this right
What
now.
confidence he has in that arm. Small window, very little room to throw that football in there. He didn't worry about it, fired it, got the touchdown. Sweet touchdown right there. Just a nice throw by the quarterback.
Yeah.
He put it right on the money. The receiver makes the catch. Forcing and recovering the fumble. You said the appropriate word there. Forcing. The hit was so solid and so good. The offense goes to get close to the goal line because they can use their body to push off and get open that way. They can't play so tough down. That is quarterback. He knows his zone and he's going to find the open rolling lane and he gets it. Quarterback's got to be extremely careful because if you turn it over, you just give points to your opponent. That time the bad decision by the quarterback and he throws it easy interception. Well, the defense is better.